Hey there, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make your reel go viral on Instagram. There are great benefits to creating your own Instagram reels. Not only do they make it easier for your business to generate awareness on social media, but it also makes it much easier for followers to keep up with you. The best way to grow your Instagram account and get a spot on the Explore page is to create reels. Instagram has been implementing Reels to provide organic growth opportunities for the users on the app. This approach has proved to be very successful because it helped many of these users gain more followers and expand their reach on Instagram. You can quickly gain many views on your Reels and grow your account if you have the right strategies in place. Here are a few tips and tricks to help your content go viral. Make sure to stick with us till the end of the video. Use native Reels tools. Nowadays, Instagram comes with its inbuilt tools that help users to create Reels in a quick and efficient way. It has its own filters, stickers, video editing features. For instance, you can now edit your Reels in the Instagram app by trimming the videos, increasing or decreasing the brightness, changing contrast, and so on. Improving your content with the provided tools will also help the Instagram algorithm rank your content better. As a matter of fact, whenever Instagram introduces a new feature, the users who try to incorporate it in their Reels tend to get a higher exposure as compared to the rest. So make sure to keep an eye out for the next new feature on Instagram. Make a schedule for posting Reels. Consistency can have a big impact on how successful your Instagram Reels are. Think about the posting schedule, the duration of each post, and the type of content you're sharing. Reels is still a new feature on Instagram, and they're always experimenting with new formats. If you post regularly, then it's quite possible that you'll get the exposure from this platform that you need. Being consistent increases your chances of being featured on Instagram's Reels page. When you will keep posting Reels on a regular basis, the algorithm will work in your favor and raise the frequency of showing your video to other accounts, be it on their Explore pages or Reels sections. Now we have an interesting thing to point out in this video. We will come to that in a few seconds. The next one is hashtags. One thing that people miss out on is using relevant hashtags on their Reels. Hashtags on Reels pretty much work as an SEO for your content. That is why you should choose them very carefully. You can discover hashtags related to your line of work and post content accordingly. The hashtags that you decide to use should match your content. Using hashtags like #ExplorePage, which is not relevant to your content, may signal the algorithms in a negative way. Now, coming to an important point. You always have to make sure that you are using hashtags that do not go against the community guidelines of Instagram. If you use hashtags like #DM, then your content might get restricted on Instagram. You can check if a hashtag is banned or not by looking it up in the search bar under the tag section. Then click on the hashtag and check if it goes against the community guidelines. If it does, refrain from using such hashtags. Use popular soundtracks. Instagram has an extensive library of music that users can use in their Reels. When a vast set of Instagram users start using particular audio to make their Reels, that's when you know the audio is trending. It's your job as a content creator to make use of these trending soundtracks to push your Reel to the Explore pages of other users. When you make use of something that is already trending, other users will find your content entertaining and relevant. This would make them engage with your Reel by liking, sharing, saving, or just by viewing it till the end. These activities by the other users will trigger the Instagram algorithm to increase the popularity of your Reel by pushing it to more Explore pages of other users. Thus, you will be able to see that the views of your Reels are gradually rising. The next factor that can drive your Reel views is using customized thumbnails. Creating your own thumbnails for Reel dimensions will go a long way. Even though Instagram gives you the option to choose a frame from your own video to select as a cover image, It may be a better idea to generate attractive thumbnails with great visuals and texts to get more views. This will raise the curiosity of the other users about the content of your reel and make them click on it, thus raising your view count. You can add your external thumbnail in your Instagram Reel video through the Add Image option when you're choosing the cover image. You don't have to be a designer to make an enticing thumbnail that will appeal to the users. You can use various free tools like Canva to generate beautiful thumbnails by using their ready-to-use templates pack in the CTA. Including a call to action in your Reels can help you improve your Reel views by a great deal because it makes the users keep coming back to your content. Having a clear call to action is a key element when it comes to encouraging the followers because you will be providing the viewers with a piece of content that they would want to see. This way, they are more likely to navigate through the other Reels in your account. Call to action like, check out the description for more information, click the link in bio to avail an exclusive offer, or try our newest product will make the users viewing your Reels more curious. It will make them go. Lastly, stitching subtitles in your Reels is very important to spike your views. Subtitles are crucial for your Instagram Reels if you want your content to be accessible to others, gain momentum, and reach a wider audience. If your Reel has subtitles, the users can mute or lower the volume of the video while viewing it. They also help to rank your media on Instagram with better visibility. Subtitles allow people to watch your Reels regardless of what they are doing or where they are at that moment. This is a great way of including a wider audience without compromising your original message. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below the things you found interesting and feel free to give more inputs on increasing Reel views.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stand Out.